Tired of digital marketing tools that promise the world but deliver a headache? Well, get ready to turn that frustration into financial freedom because today, we're diving deep into the Builderall affiliate program. First, head over to Builderall.com and navigate to the affiliate section. You'll typically find this in the footer of the website under the Partners or Affiliate section. Click on Become an Affiliate and fill out the registration form with your details. Make sure you use a valid email address, as this is where you'll receive important updates and commission notifications. Once your application is approved, you'll gain access to your affiliate dashboard here. You'll find your unique affiliate links, which are crucial for tracking your referrals. They are often located on the left-hand side of your screen or in a clearly labeled section. Now comes the fun part: promoting Builderall. Explore the dashboard for marketing materials like banners, email swipes, and social media content. Tailor these to your target audience. Get creative with your promotion strategies. Write blog posts, create YouTube tutorials, run targeted social media ads, or even build an email list to nurture potential customers. Focus on the benefits Builderall offers, like its all-in-one platform and cost-effectiveness. Keep a close eye on your commissions in the dashboard. This section shows you how many people have signed up through your links, how many have converted to paying customers, and how much you've earned. Maximize your earnings by staying consistent with your promotion efforts, providing value to your audience, and continuously learning about Builderall's features. Remember to participate in any affiliate contests or incentives offered by Builderall, and there you have it, your step-by-step guide to conquering the Builderall affiliate program.